So LLCs are a little different in sense that they have self-employment tax imposed, whereas the self-employment tax is not imposed in an S corp because you're already paying it through some of the wages that are the
Okay,
requirement.
got it.
So LLC, if you're an LLC, you cannot pay yourself wages. Like you can't just like deduct it as wages.
You can't, yeah, become a W-2. You
can't
have to be an S corp for that.
Yeah, you have to be an S corp for that. And so the benefits are that it passes through the income or loss to the owner, and you can basically use things like home office deduction, self-employment, health insurance. Health insurance is different when you're an S corp. There's different things like collecting business expenses that are like your mileage and things like that, and it's a little more freedom than, I wouldn't say freedom, but it's a different type of like requirement of documentation than an S corp.
Do you have to have employees to transition to an S corp?
No, you don't. You don't. You can be the only one. So there's single owner S corps are the most favored because it's 100% owned. You
Yep.
can take benefit of
That would be like if I did it.
yeah, exactly. A lot of service professionals like to do that, and then they just hire contractors, a few contractors here and there, and then maybe one or two employees. The most important thing about an S corp is that you do have to provide the same benefits, or your benefits are not certain deductible. So they call it fringe benefits for owners. When you're an owner, there's certain rules about benefits. You could deduct it in a standard book financial, but then for taxes, there might be certain percentage that can't be used for tax, or you have to add something back. So going back to the LLC benefit, so that passes through, and a lot of people don't like LLCs when they're at a higher income level because that self-employment tax will never go away.